Hi and welcome to my channel where I document my real day trading journey, the good, the bad, and the boring. Today is Wednesday, December 17, 2025. I will be trading Palantir stock, ticker symbol PLTR on the 1 minute time frame. One stock, one time frame, one trade if my setup appears. My goal is to simplify trading as much as possible to fit my personality and my lifestyle. So I intentionally eliminate noise that I personally don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. This is for education purpose only. The red line is the high of yesterday. This is the high of some day back then. These other red lines are the monster. This monster trend line here, like a wedge on the top, forming a wedge, like a big wedge. Looking if it gives me a bearish pattern in this area here. But looks like it could just break this and just go without me to retest the low of yesterday. Could just be a fake breakout for now and come and retest the high, or go all the way over here to retest this other high. But I'm hoping to give some pattern in this area here. Very confusing still, but broke this trend line bullish. Could go to retest that, but I don't think it's gonna give me an entry here. I was looking to get an entry here because of this pivot here, but this is probably was the entry. Yeah, this definitely was the entry. If I wanted to go bullish, I just need to see more confirmation, but it is what it is. I'm hoping to get something in this area here because it's safer than taking the pattern here, because it's right on the middle to the high and the low. And this looks very bearish, but it hasn't retested this trend line yet. It looks like it might go towards that and the high. Now it's confusing because should I put my entry on the retest of this trend line with this trend line here of the bottom, or the bottom of yesterday? So it's kind of also has this another bottom low of the day before yesterday, I think. Yeah, it's so confusing now. Because it already retest this thing. Because I already had this move. I just need to touch, reject, and come back and go. I'm thinking I'm just gonna put my entry here. If it comes, great. If not, I don't care, because it already had this move. It already retest this. It could just comes over here and goes. But it's too much going on in this area than in this area here. In this area, it's just the low of yesterday. It already retested. I mean, this is a decent move. Well, it's 10:35 now. It's already past my trading time. 5 minutes after, I was waiting to see if it will give me a pattern here breaking this. It might happen later. I don't know if I wait a little longer, because usually I trade until 10:30, but this is closer because this is a big wedge and it broke bearish, but it could just be a fake breakout. This was the low of 2 days ago, I think. This was the low of yesterday. So it's an area that could just break bullish. Well, I'm gonna respect my rules. I know I'm tend to just wait and see if my setup appears in this area to take the trade, but I will be breaking my rules, which is I trade until 10:30. I already had things that happened today that could ban a trade, but never gave me a clear entry, and also I was very confusing with the direction of the market, because the real trade was, if I have to pick, will be this one here, because this one here was another trade, but it was the first bar that opened. It was a huge wedge here. But if I was gonna pick one trade, this one would be the best one. But like I said, nothing actually was right here with the retest. But it looked very bearish at the moment. So that's why I didn't take bullish. I was hoping for a retest of the break here with the high of yesterday, but never gave me an entry. Also broke this wedge here, but like I said, I thought it was just gonna come here and give me an entry. I like to take trades on the high and the low areas because I have high probability of a winner trade. Also here, I was waiting for touching, reject, and give me an entry, but instead went without me. Also has this one that never gave me an entry, and now is doing this. Looks very bearish so far, but I still have those other two lows to retest here. Am I gonna pick one of them and just go? But it's already past my time than I usually trade, so nothing line up today. So no trade is better than a bad trade. This is a part of documentary the journey. The boring days matter too. So always process over profits, discipline over dopamine as always. So thanks for watching.